Besides giving you recent release information, the dashboard also has the National Truck Count, a very useful tool to identify where demand for carriers could be high. Simply choose the equipment type you need, and the chart will update with the most recent totals. So, how do you interpret the numbers seen here? Let's find out. Out represents the number of trucks currently in the state that are looking to move. In represents the number of trucks that are currently scheduled to go to that state. As a broker, you will be concerned in states where there are not as many trucks looking for a load. Carriers will be in higher demand here, so rates may be higher as a result, and securing transport for your shipper may prove to be harder. Consider this when bidding on shipments and also while searching for trucks. And if you want to see exactly what trucks are in one of these states, just click on any of the numbers and DAT1 will run the search and display the carriers currently posted in that state.